Alright, guys, I think I'm live now. My streaming thing just went crazy this morning. I've been trying to figure it out for the last like 40 minutes or so. Anyway, I'm along SNPW and INND. I already traded SNPW more one time already, and you can see the gains right here. Okay, so I pretty much picked her up right here at the open and sold her around right here, then picked her up about 120 right here when I saw stabilization around this area. Okay, so right now it's at 124. IND I picked up, I believe, at 5.5. She's at 5.5. She ticked down. I was actually expecting her to break out, and it looks like it's going to try it again. Supposedly hearing aids are in Best Buy right now. I'm looking to day trade both of these stocks. Maybe sell half, hold half. Sorry, didn't know I had the camera up there. Sell half and leave half overnight, but we'll see. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart for both of these guys. This looks like a bull flag on the 10 minute. That looks good. This is a 10 minute on the IND. It's trying to break out its resistance level, which is right here. And you can see she did that at the open, but ticked back down underneath it. So we'll see if INND can perform. Okay. Yeah, pretty much that's it. We got these two right now for today's trades. We're just pretty much gonna trade these. I'll probably be in and out, away from my computer for the most of the day, but we can see INND is smacking 5.5s, and rightfully so. I really would like it to close above 5.5 on this 10-minute time frame, so 5.5 or higher, 10.20, just because it provides an indication of possible further upside and possible breakthrough of this huge resistance level. Let me just zoom this out more so you guys can see the numbers. Okay, yeah, so right here, this is her small, well, I wouldn't say small, but this is her current resistance level. Next one's about right here at 6.3. She could do a breakout and then tick back down. I mean, the news is interesting. They're in Best Buy. SNPW, awesome news today. This is why we longed it at the open, and just looking good right now. I would like this breakout bull flag. So remember, we got in around right here, I think 101 or something like that. I'll tell you right now, actually. Yeah, 101 is where we got in, and we sold at 0122, 012. And then we picked up some at 0117, 0112, and the remainder at 012. And right now she's at 0125. So yeah, we're doing okay with this position right now. Like I said over here, we want these 5.5s or higher. See those 5.5s? We break those. We may create a new higher break above that 5.8 today. Only time will tell. I really didn't like this area, right here. So we got in right here at the news. She ticked back down, but that's perfectly fine. I mean, she's trading above her gap. Looks like it might be a gap, a runaway gap, if she can hold and break through 5.5. So got 5.5, it's 5.4 right now at the ask. 5.3 by 5.4. We got 124 last print on SNPW. It's 122 by 125. Okay. And yeah, okay. Just took a while to get this damn thing figured out. I'm pretty sure there's a delay, or my messages on the social networks are probably not up to par. But I just definitely wanted to stream today because I had off today and I'm pretty busy. I know my phones are going to start going off around noon Eastern time. So, you know, that's something to look for. Yeah, so I'm not trading Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, or Tesla. Sorry about that, dudes. Trying to get the stream up. I didn't change the message. And there it goes, the beginning of my phone calls for the day. I'm just going to mute my mic real quick. I'm going to answer this. Alright, sorry dudes and dudettes. Um, so you can see this struggle over here with IN and the just constant battle. I mean, for SMPW looking good, it looks like we're going to get that bull flag breakout. For the second chairman, it looks like this is doing the opposite. It's just ugly. This is ugly, you know. I mean, with the news, for crying out loud. Huh? I guess that news wasn't worthy. Like Best Buy, eat shit. Let me check my damn. See what's going on with these alerts when I post. Where did I go to check this? I haven't even checked my email, so I don't even want to be surprised right now. And for my SEO team, my developers, and everybody else that might be watching this stream, you guys gotta wait. Okay, where do I go? No. Nope. Damn it. I don't even know where I could edit these damn texts. Try this first. No. Not here. Not here. I'm talking to myself, guys. Wow. A lot of red prints at 124, but you see the bits step in at 125. Alright, so pay attention to ASCM. This is the market maker right here. You see ASCM. been pretty much playing SMPW all morning today. He pretty much, or she pretty much, or this institution pretty much, been holding her up, but also been selling at the ask. So we want to see how far and how long ASCM continues pushing forward for SMPW, and OTCX looks like it's trying to join the fight. And it seems like ASCM's holding her up, but it also selling portions at the ask. So this could be an institution that's loading but selling a little bit at a time at maybe 3/100ths of a penny higher, 5/100ths of a penny higher, so on and so forth. Ticks back down, it loads up, then we'll sell some again at 300, 500, 700, and we'll keep holding the bid from breaking down. Just remember, eventually these some of the bitches will continue being on the ask and bringing the ask down and pushing the bid down. So pay attention to ASCM if you're trading or you're in SMPW, and it's probably not going to happen today, but it will eventually happen. So keep your eyes on that. Yeah, it seems like the market's extremely bullish this morning as well. Something called the TRIN. A few people I spoke about with it. TRIN is an inverse relationship with the markets. Ticker symbol either .TRIN or $TRIN. I'm not going to explain it here. Just because we're going to watch these positions, and if we get out of one, or maybe we'll find another one in the process. But right now, as you can see, we're getting, well, let's go back over here. Let's do the 1 minute. Let's see what the 1 minute's looking like. Oh, excuse me. See, I don't like this formation. But this looks good. Just don't like the 1 minute formation. And you see OTCX stepping in with ASCM, and look at that. 125 is not good enough, 127 is. See, 125 print's no good, but 127 print is a healthy print. So as long as we continue pushing up at 127, don't like that. On the 1 minute time frame, 127, 127, 127. There we go. You see that? At 1 minute time frame closes, and that pattern's like this, and it prints 127 again. It's looking extremely healthy. However, if it closes at 125 and prints 125 again, could be a little nerve-wracking. It could be a beginning of a downtrend. The likelihood of it, probably like this, for example, likelihood of it breaking down is pretty minimal, I think, just because of the news, and it seems like the market makers are at the bid. But you do have to be worrisome of some patterns, because the transition of a movement could change. Somebody's signing into my shit. I'm about to give them a black eye. They're lucky I'm trading. And my phone's blowing up. House phone. It's probably advertising. Nobody has. I don't even know the number. So if somebody calling this on this issue.
Express Scripts.
Local.
Call from Express Scripts.
Express Scripts. Yeah, so. Okay, wow, the trend's extremely bullish. Markets has to be at 1,400 points. Okay. No. Alright. Looks like some of the action. Let me see what's going on with my damn messages, trying to figure out. Chat messages, no data. How do I send proper posts? Anybody say, oh, messages? No. Chats? No. That's correct. Go to home. You know, sometimes market slows down, and you know, especially penny stocks, they you know, some stocks tend to quiet down and pick up during the day. So, you know, it could be like quiet around 10 o'clock into 12, or like 11 into 1, then possibly, you know, pick up with some flow of movements, either up or down. Volume picks up. Just, wow, it's quiet, and I don't know how the fuck to do this. Excuse my language, guys, but it's really, really pissing me off. Oh God, you gotta be kidding me. What the fuck am I doing wrong? I'm not talking about trading, okay? I'm talking about this damn, no. Maybe if I go to each one individually. No. Destinations are correct. Okay. But how do... No. Oh. Just pay attention to what's going on here. Okay. It's both 1 minute. Maybe you should go out further this way. See, she's little by little pushing upwards. We want to break over 5.5. Over here, she's just battling on the 1 minute. See what the 5 minute looks like. Still battling. It seems like ASEM just wants to be at 1-2-1 right now. Maybe a little dip to 1-2-1. She'll come back. You know, she breaks this high right here, which she hasn't. And 1-2-9. That high breaks, we're running. But what happens is she could be choppy. She can be like this. Well, you know, more like this. Then eventually, maybe after 12 o'clock, another run. As long as she can stay at these levels. You see 124, 125 being printed. 124 is getting hammered. OTCX has more than it's showing 10,000, but more is being printed. So we'll see if OTCX can hold here and buyers step in. And you see ASCM step up at the ask. So ASCM might be at sell mode right now. Willing maybe to sell, bring it down to 1-2-1, and then start adding there again. So we'll see shortly. And let's see what TPTW is doing. Since INND is trading more sideways, we'll look at TPTW. Oops, oh, ID appears there. Okay. It's a nice pattern. Oh, that's kegs. This police announcer has announced for approximately 2 pounds of locally organic hemp, blah, 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 blah. So, look at that, 124 is getting smacked. You guys see that? But OTCX still at the bid. Look, it's between OTCX and ASCM. This could be ASCM selling that OTCX with their ask right there. We'll see shortly, you know, if it steps away. There it is. OTCX is gone crap for the moment. Okay. Oops. Maybe I can't change the messages when I'm streaming. So, for all you dudes, ignore the current data. We're trading penny stocks today. Yeah. So I'm getting bored right now. Usually when I get bored, I try to find something else. But let's see what happens. I'm just curious because S&PW does look. I mean, let me bring this down. Does look entertaining. Like, you know, a big movement's going to happen again today. To the upside and downside, I'm going with upside based on the pattern in the news. TPTW, not worth getting into right now. Let's take a look at AZFL. The bid and ask is about equal right here. Yeah, so my whole thing. Oh, I know what I could do to help you guys out. Okay, just bear with me, guys. You know, I have like a bunch of screens, so it does get a little annoying. Oh, you know, people think the more screens you have, the better. The more screens you have, the dizzier you get. Because you're looking everywhere. Keep it simple. I think 2 screens is more than enough. 3 screens okay, but like, for example, I have one big screen on the bottom, and that's pretty much all my trading and everything. You guys are just looking at like a third of my screen over here compared to what I have up. But you know, have a lot of other information on my trading platform. Then I have 3 screens above my bottom screen, and one of them is my streaming screen. The other one is, you know, social networks, community, and the other one's my emails where, you know, I'm doing work. Oh, what's going on here? See, talking, not paying attention here. ASCM. Let's see if she holds here and brings her back up to 120. We're gonna see if this is support right here. Look, 124 is right there. There's only ASCM. Look, he's picking it up. Look at that shit. Slick little bastard. Alright, so he just removed his ask and put him at higher prices. So I believe we're gonna see her around, yeah, I said 120, but look, you see 115, 119's at the ask. Trickery. My whole thing is she'll go back up. What the hell? I'm getting too many pop. What the hell is going on? Whoa. Alright, Stream Deck, you gotta get removed. You're going crazy. I gotta remove this fucking platform today. It fucking opens up 20 pages at once. It's no good. No good. Oh. Alright. When did I post this? Huh. Okay. I cannot. You know what's bothering me, guys? Oh God, what the fuck is going on? I gotta remove this shit. It's fucking Stream Deck bullshit. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Home. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright. Guys, bear with me. I'm sending out another post for all my Twitter followers. Well, it's going to be sent through Trader Circle, so you guys are aware. just see real quick, yeah. So ASCM's at 112, also at 117, trying to gain that spread at the ask. But remember, we saw it pick up the prices dramatically, and then was pretty much at the ask, cashing out. So we still like this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. But remember, on the 1 minute, I said, oh, you got to look a little right here. I didn't like this pattern, and rightfully so. Look what she did. Okay, but this is the pattern that if she does hold, she'll hold right here. The MAC histogram's at its lowest point. This one was lower than this side. This side's higher than this side. That's good for the buyers. And plus, this is lower right here than here. That was support right there. It's battling support level. So we're going to see if she can hold these areas. The whole point is for her to start ticking up here. This is a 1 minute chart, but a 10-minute chart. Yeah, right here. This is more an appropriate time frame. Okay, so 112, 115, you can see the blood right now. Here's ASCM. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Look at this. We got to see a rebound right here. There it is. Based on the analysis, there has to be a rebound here. And boom, boom, boom. All right. Let's get out of AZFL. Let's go back here. See, she's holding up more or less, right? Pattern is becoming nice over here. This is the fight. See? Yeah. Alright, so we got this going on. If you guys were watching earlier, I sent a stream with the wrong information because I try to get streaming as fast as possible. Try and fix it for 30 minutes. Finally got it done, but it was incorrect. Trading penny stocks today. We did trade SNPW this morning for a small profit, nothing crazy right here. You see that number. But we got a small profit over there, so you know, it's not too bad. And oh, you can't even see today's gain. It's very bad. Okay. currently it's 372, I guess, as I moved this. Oh, maybe it's the bottom one. Let me see. Nope. Let's see if I could fix this part. Oh, okay. Let's see if I could do this again. Okay. Bear with me, guys. I'm new to this part. I just want to make sure I have, you know, that's definitely correct. But how do I fix it? Copy, you know? Or maybe change it. No, color layout effect. Nope. Refresh. Nope, still not there. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, we gotta cancel this. Oh, there it is. Alright. Okay. Let me remove this one. And we will add that right over there. Cool? Clear. Alright. Alright, let me just lock that up so I don't make a mistake. So, 1, 2. Alright, cool. So, yeah, that's for today's gain right there. Let's see what we have going on. So bored. 11 by 117. You see ASCM, they take her out right here. She's gonna go back right back to this level. But my thing is, she went up, she's stabilizing around midday right now. This is a 10-minute chart. Sorry, I meant that daily chart. This is a 10-minute chart. See right there? I like that hammer. A little low in volume, but better than nothing. We have 1, 2 right here, and this could be the third one, so we can see. I'm just going to draw this line, and I did it in white. The reason why I put a white background, I think it's clearer. Like to me, I see the picture more clear in white than with a black background. But everyone's different, you know. So you know, you guys decide what you guys want, what kind of background you guys like. But I like the white background. Easier on the eyes. At least for me, I could see things easier instead of like zooming in, making sure. So I would assume that this pattern, let me just double check. I want to double check and be as correct as possible. Ugh, I don't like this right here. That's a 60-minute. Another 10 minutes, got to break that. If you don't break that, we might get out. So we want ASCM to get out of there. This still looks good as of right now. Okay, so that's not the issue right here. I don't like this. Want to see what she does by 11 o'clock. Hopefully to the upside. Get rid of that barrier that it created. You know, and if even she does close like that, the whole purpose is if she can trade to the sideways pattern, it's okay. But if not, and she closes like this, you know, she could tick back down. Likelihood with the news and everything, I don't think that'll happen, even though maybe she'll try to fill her gap right here. Something to look for. But right now, even though she looks a little iffy, last thing you want to do is jump out. and you know, she goes your way. So base out trades on technicals. The only thing I don't like right now on the 10-minute is the MAC histogram. I'm waiting to see for the MAC refresh, so you see how she's getting negative territory. I'm hoping this would be her lowest bar right here. Next one will be a green bar, and then, you know, the green bars will start going up. Otherwise, if that doesn't happen, we'll have another lower bar right here, and then maybe one more, and she'll bottom out right here, and then after start being a green bar. At least that's my hope. Okay, see what happens shortly. See, I don't like this pattern. See, the pattern, the negative pattern continues starting from this point, and then she tried right here. Oops, guess I gotta remove that. She tried right here, and then she failed right here. Right here. So now, if a buyer comes in right here and holds her up, we're okay. So pretty much the base is drawing. Damn it. Bear with me, guys. The hell is the damn horizontal lines? Oh, here you go. So pretty much this is the base right here, okay? And obviously this is the resistance, support resistance. Alright, so right now she's at 112, another 9 minutes left. Let's see what the 10-minute looks like. Yeah, right here we're fighting it out over here. So you can see INND is a little on their move slower, okay? So, you know, we're just hoping when that breakout does happen, it's going to be maybe a 20-30 minute upside push. And most likely we'll hopefully take our profits there. Yeah. Let me check my emails. I'm surprised nobody's bothering me. Let's see. Usually I get more calls. Okay. Got 5 fours, fighting the tape. That's good. Let's see, maybe you'll find something else to trade. Let's take a look at, yeah, see, it's all this bullshit trading range. ALYI. See what we got here. Oh, this is a nice pattern. Okay. Oh, we can squeeze something out of here maybe. Let's check out what we got here. Okay, got 2,000 electric motor vehicle order. Oh, sorry, 2 million purchase. All right, and the information comes out tomorrow. So pattern looks good. Possible breakout showing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go a little light. Do maybe 100,000 right now at 8.5. So we're gonna smack the shit out of the ask. Possibly gain momentum for people. There we go. There we go. If you hear those alerts, that's my execution. Okay, let's see what's going on over here. All right, so SMPW. All right, so she quieted down. You can see, and people are just, it's a 5-10 spread right here. I want to pay attention right here to AMPW. I'm sorry, SMPW. Right here. This is just the barrier of what to do. Can she hold? I believe the bid, the low point is 108. Yeah, 108 it is. So we want to see if she can step up here. Yeah, moment of truth. It looks like the trend is trying to bottom out. And what I mean by bottom out, trend is the opposite of the market. So let's take a look at what the Dow is currently looking like. Oh, sorry, wrong. Look at that. No, Dow's looking healthy for the moment. That's the daily. So it's looking healthy. Let's narrow it down. At support on the 1 minute and 10 minute. That's resistance right here. Okay. Where are you, homeboy? This thing moves too fast. There you go. That's Dow resistance. Oh, just a little bit lower. Fuck. Ah. That's resistance on the Dow right there. Take a look at Tesla. Tesla hasn't been working with me for a few days. What happened to the chart? Oh my god. Well, a few days I've been trading it. Been doing the opposite. What happened? I lost my charts. Oh, yeah, I'm connected. The power of E-Trade, man. Let me tell you. The power of E-Trade. Oh god. Gotta fucking reboot this. Guys, gonna have to reopen this layout. Oh, never mind. Guess it was just delayed. INNB. No, this is different alerts. I'm not trading. Well, I haven't entered new trades. Just alerts for everything. Okay. Alright. Now this is becoming a flag also. If you look at the 1 minute, it's just a little fugazi. We wanted more on the 5-5 end. Alright, but you can see similar patterns being created as the time progresses. I don't know if you guys can see this. See how, I mean, it's not identical, but like, see how she went up, went down, went up, went down, traded sideways. All right, I mean, they're two different symbols. They both have news, two different companies, but the patterns in general sometimes correlate, not always. But if you can spot it, you can spot it. But that's what it looks like right now, right? Let's take a look at Tesla now. I want to look at Tesla before. I love Tesla. The actions in Tesla. You know, stocks of this size, there's action. Oh. So, I like trading stuff with action. But it wasn't agreeing with me like 2-3 weeks ago when I was day trading it. I was like, you know what? Let me stay away. Sometimes you need to recuperate, refresh, stay away from a stock for a couple of weeks, get comfortable, you know, get the bad shit out of your head, and start trading it again. But we're not going to trade her, at least for now. We got into ALYI as well, I believe. Let's see how she's looking. And oh yeah, okay. Okay, just got 100,000 of her, but the pattern looks promising. Right here on the 10-minute, on the 16-minute, you can see SMPW fighting back. Yeah. Remember, they're going to give further news on ALYI. Look, so tomorrow, let me first finish what I want to say. ALYI is supposedly going to give out further information tomorrow. So on September 1st, 2021, it received $2 million worth of purchases, received an order agreement to create 2,000 electric motor vehicles. These motorcycles are to be delivered over the term of 1 year in allotments agreed by the parties. This agreement called for the buyer to advance the first $200,000, which was done. And I'm sorry, I guess when I scroll down, I lose, you know, the information moves way too fast. Where was I, for crying out loud? Okay, so 200,000, which was done. The allotment was shipped from China in December of 2021. Okay, ALYI is building EV ecosystem that includes organic and partner solutions for all aspects of the growing EV transportation system. The update tomorrow will detail how ALYI is building on 2021 $2 million revenue contract to ramp up in 2022. All right, so this is they'll provide an update tomorrow with details on how they're ramping up the production for the $2 million in revenues, and also their revenue production for 2022. So that'll be interesting. So that was their first order last year. Hopefully they got a lot more, maybe an additional 5-7 million. That'd be awesome. And you know, the pattern right here. And yeah, so if you day trade penny stocks, or if you trade penny stocks in general, it's not the typical stock market. Like if you trade stocks on Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, or you know, even crypto or forex. When I mean crypto, I'm talking about like the high-end crypto coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, so on and so forth. Penny stocks is a different breed of trading. Best is, you know, to trade or buy on the rumor, you know, sell on the news, or even sell a portion on the news, you know, so on and so forth. It really depends on its movement prior to the news coming out. So if it hasn't moved until the news comes out, chances are it could explode. But if there's rumors and it's been going up and the news comes out, chances are you should sell at least half. This is... you know, so if you're trading penny stocks, you have to understand what you're trading, why you're trading, when you're trading penny stocks. And listen, I'm one of these individuals as well. Eventually, you know, you find something that's really, really rare. It's a gem. It's too good to be true. You want to hold this for a while until they progress. 95% to 99% of penny stocks, their CEOs are either full of shit, or you know, they try hard but they fail. So and this is why the OTC is a great market. It's a great market, but if you search hard enough, you can find diamonds in this great market. At the same time, You know, it's a great market. But you trade on the rumors, the news, the spread. For example, like these metal detectors that you see people on the beach, scanning for metal. OTC is pretty much similar. Best way to trade the OTC is have a scanner for it, because you want to trade it. I want to say you don't want to be in a penny stock for longer than 3 months. I mean, even a month, because if you're trading on the news and the rumors and what's coming, and all this information is current, and it's like already a month has passed and nothing happened. It's no good. Play the noise. Like I was saying, a guy at the beach with a metal detector looking for metal. I mean, your job is the same thing with the OTC. If you're trading it, I don't really recommend holding this thing, but if you're trading it, it's good if you know what you're doing, but it's and you're just searching, like for example, we picked 3 stocks to trade today, but I went through maybe 20-30 penny stocks, and I already traded S&PW once for the day. Some stocks take longer, and you can see ALYI right here. It's just pretty much waiting for the news. Maybe we'll see end of day breakout. This is the daily, and you can see right here, try to form support. It looks like a bull flag. It looks. I'm not lying to you. It looks decent right now. This might be a 2-3 day position. I really don't think longer than that. All right, you buy the noise. You buy, make money, sell, find something else. Always look for relevant, fresh stocks to trade in the OTC. Like I said, it's not your typical NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange trading companies. All right, so with that, let's see how S&PW has been faring on the 60-minute. See, I don't like this, but if she can hold this line at support, we're okay. So what this tells me right now, she's probably going to trade sideways till the end of the day, and then hopefully make another move. And what I mean by end of the day, I'm assuming 2 o'clock. There's going to be some more noise. I just really am upset that she couldn't break those 129s, because she was close more than once, and I could have sold, made a couple dollars, but I wanted that break. So we'll see. Okay. VAYK, Bezos back this one. Let's see what the fuck this says. Let's see. Hey, listen. Oops. Wrong one. Yep. Dallas, Texas, April 19th. Today, highlight recent news. Jeff Bezos backed Arrived Homes in advance. Share home update to be published Thursday in conjunction with the company's recently publishing the 2020 major foundation building. Said CEO Bill Justice on alternatives finance applications. I'm sorry, I'm just reading. Finance applications for the purchase of Airbnb type short-term vacation rental properties just arrived. Their major validation to inform a notable new competitor, Jeff Bezos. He has backed in Arrived Homes, which recently announced offering rental property. To say that we had this vision first. I'm not worried about the competition. The market is a big place, so the competition is healthy. It validates our direction. Attractions to the market. Okay, so Jeff Bezos is their competitor right now. Don't know how that's good for them. Raises funding. Yeah, okay, you're taking out a loan, not interested in you. Anyone who takes out a loan or, some type of loan, don't even think it's funding. Their interest, it's no good. Chances are there'll be dilution in the future if they cannot come with the proper information, or I'm sorry, pay back their loans. Let's take a look at PJ. Guys, remember PJ? I found that, I think, like Trip 5s, 2019 or something like that. I'm just curious what the hell she's doing these days. We sold it a long time ago. And you see, she went to half a penny. Yeah. Well, this was further back. Yeah, we got it like, I think right here. Right? Look at that. Went to almost 3 cents. This here, I mean, that wasn't, imagine I had that, I'd be rich. Yeah, no, that wasn't me right there. Yeah, that would have been awesome. I think we got out right around here, and we never looked back, but look at that shit, okay? And this was an airline company, and I guess, it was a takeover by a marijuana company, and that's where she is right now. Okay, something like that. Yeah, so that goes to show you how these companies, companies take over these penny stocks consistently because the previous company fails and just wants to get money for it. Yeah, so that's that. And that's what I mean. This is a gray, and this is why they call it the gray market. You got to be very smart where you're trading. Don't want to hold it for too long. And listen, I'm one of those individuals, like with the marijuana industry, I was hoping federal legalization because I remember where I pulled out too early. I think this was in like 2014, 2013 or something. I made money, but I pulled out too early. And then 6 months later, I mean, you saw a stock like HEMP went from like 3 cents to like 12 bucks, 18 bucks or some shit like that. What? You guys would have never seen me again. You're lucky that didn't happen. I'm here with you guys because I probably would have had my own jet. I would have been living life. I probably would have been a spoiled little prick. So, it's probably a good thing that didn't happen, but nevertheless, that's why I'm still waiting on the marijuana industry. And did I profit on it? Yeah, but, I could have made a lot more. But it's okay, because it's all about trading. And that's what I mean on holding penny stocks. Could bite you in the ass. That's one of them. It's a perfect example. Okay, but I rather lose it all and wait for federal legalization in the marijuana industry than cash out, especially right here, right now. So, just patient. Just trying to see what we have. See this right here. If we can get this to close up, see how we have like some support right here. If we can make a morning star out of this right here. Oh, sorry. That's horizontal. Let's do some doodling. So, right here. Oops. Undo that. This damn plus thing's in the way. Alright. So, create a morning star right here. That'd be awesome, right? So that means this green bar got to close at this level or higher. Okay, so that would be 0.086 or better. Okay, right now it's 83 by 85. Still got about almost 5 hours, 4 hours, 45 minutes remaining. So we're looking good on that. And let's see. Okay, let's take a look. So we have a few positions, right? So we're in 3 positions right now. I'm just looking to see if there's anything interesting. This looks very interesting also. What's the news on this bad boy? Okay, so let's take a look at this. It's so funny, you know. INND. This is terrible. How news is reported, but she's still ticking down. This is fucking disgusting. See, she filled her gap. And there's too much weight on this bitch. Let's see what the hell. You'd figure. Interscope of hearing says 2 ink signs vend agreement with Best Buy to offer hearing aids and related products sold in the U.S. and Puerto Rico, brick and mortar stores, and on BestBuy.com. You know, based on this news, you'd expect this piece of crap to go up double. You know, I'm not saying to 5 cents or $5, but based on this news, I mean, up 7% right now. It's just disgusting. You know, like S&PW traded 37 million shares, but it's up 37%, and it ticked down a little bit. So it's just disgusting. You know, you expect the news to provide at least some further push to the upside. You know, penny before, you know, you see deterioration. But look at this. And she filled her gap, so nice up green bar would be great. Just it's kind of stupid that didn't happen. Okay. FORZ. No action. What shit? News and nothing like. Did it halt? Curious what Kegs looks like right now. Kegs had news today, but it's only 2 pounds of news. Wow. Very minimal emails today. Fuck, it says twitter.com. Yeah, it's mad annoying. Gotta fix that later. Bro. Yo, bro. Alright. So, trend. Oh wow, looks like trend fighting. Back to the upside. Oh wow. See, it looks like Tesla's gonna try to take a dip. See what Tesla's looking like. Yeah. Maybe not much right here. Maybe it'll drop like 10 points. Yeah. Gonna have my Wheaties. It's Passover. I only could eat crackers. So excuse me if I'm tired, dudes. Okay. I'm bored. Need some action. Alright, so don't smoke, guys. I don't smoke much, but I have a rule. At least 1 Newport a day when I have my coffee. I still have my coffee. Alright, so I can have my Newport. And we're just gonna, yeah, that was me right there. Well, I think that was me. Or right here, I don't even remember. Yeah, this was probably me, the 100K. Okay. This could stay here. I don't. This is we're playing on the information of the news tomorrow, so we're not gonna care about ALYI what she does today. It's gonna be an overnight position. But I will go back into INND because this piece of shit right now. I am down on this piece of crap. See how much I am down. I am down $130 on this piece of crap. Alright guys, I'm gonna do me and I will be back in a few. Alright, just gonna mute my mic and have a cigarette break and I'll be back. Ugh. Alright guys, she's not going too well right here on the 10-minute. Gotta see if she could go back to positive and break out. 115s. 120 would be awesome. 120, 121. Close on the 1 minute. So we don't know how much ASCM is holding at 117. I'm assuming it's more than 10,000. We'll find out. And yeah, the trend has been going up. Let's take a look at Tesla if she went down. And in that range. Okay. Even the Dow's up when the trend went up. Let's see. See, look at that, minor distractions. Look what happens. Yeah. That's the pattern I expected and I didn't like, but we're in her. So, I'd like to see her hold this level, 108. Alright, gonna go back to INND. See how she's gearing up. No. And you see SMPW bidders come back at 1-1. This is a 10-minute chart, remember. Another 8 minutes before this bar is formed. Definitely don't like this pattern. Just hope she holds at the support level where she needs to, 108, the support. See ASCM's right back there with the bid. And yeah. Yeah. We will see disconnect. And look at that. Came current and just wiped right back down. It's that merger. Fucking telling you, see the same day runs and drops. Gotta be careful these days with the OTC. Okay, Looks like the trend peaked over here. Let's get out of the trend. Okay. Boring. See, look how the volume picked up. You see, there's a volume here, right? Even right here, look at this. It was huge volume. So it was right here, 5 million shares. Oops. Almost 5.85 million shares purchased within that 1 minute. All right. And, just showing you guys the resistor marker on INND. All right. ASCM bid, ASCM ask on SMPW. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 So bored. It looks like there's action picking up around 12 o'clock for these penny stocks. What's going on? It shows Interscope here on top, but this is LUVU branch. Don't care for this. Oh, let me go hang out with my Twitter buddies. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, take down that ASCM. I am bored, dudes. Obviously. Give me a sec, guys. Apparently, people don't know how to follow orders. Yeah. ASCM getting smack at the ask at 114s. Okay. I mean, you see how she's negative on the 10-minute, but she's staying above support. That's awesome. Give me that refresh. That looks so good. I got a plumber coming by to the house today. Figure out what's going on with our lines. Been having issues whenever it rained. So I might have to step away for a little bit, but our positions are there, as you can see. I think that's the plumber, guys. We're gonna mute the mic. I'll be back. Just got to obviously take care of this if it is him. I'll just put INND back here for you. And we'll look at the 10-minute. 1 minute is not going to give us enough information on this. Yeah. Well, now let's try to do a reversal. We need that break right here. Okay. Alright. Give me a second. I'll mute my mic. I'm going to see who this individual is at my door. Alright guys, I am back, finished up with the plumber. How the hell is there an elbow pipe stuck in my sewer line? I got that shit out, everything's working fine now. Unbelievable. Oh shit, what am I missing here? Alright, well, still looking good. Gotta see the upside. See ASCM right here? Don't like that. Okay. BRGO. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What the hell's going on here? Mm-hmm. Let's... Hmm. All right, let's add. I am trying to fix this while I'm talking to you guys. Nope. Gotta make it small enough, dudes. Let's remove this. Hold on. Let's see if this works now. Perfect. Boom, 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 boom. So lock you. Do further updates later. So you can see my completed transactions. I have a sell for IN and D, obviously. Now you guys want to know where, but I'm not going to show you that because I don't want you to front run. You know. BRGO. Why isn't this? What's the data not popping up here? It's baffling. Alright. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reload. I'm going to reload this layout right now. Bear with me, it's loading up again, dudes. There we go. Finally. Alright, we weren't getting this is the top portion over here. Level 1 information. So I reloaded the platform and we're looking good now. Yeah. See my order flows for the day. Profit for the day. Obviously tradercircle.com. Let's see, we get a late breakout here. Forming support over here. It's negative, but still holding above support. It ticked down to 107.0107 over here. Give me a sec, guys. I'll be right back. You're gonna hear my brother-in-law in the background. Alright. You're gonna hear him more than me because he likes to talk. Mm. Alright, dudes. I am back. And trying to see. Oops. Sorry, guys. You guys are not having the issues I'm having right now, so it's okay. Alright, that's good. Yeah, you still can see all that. I see your phone's blowing up now. Okay. I want that breakout right here. You see that breakout? We'll get that breakout. Be good. Same thing over here. All right. I'm gonna mute my mic. I'm sorry, dudes, but I am extremely bored right now. I'll come back within 30 minutes. Okay, back. And fuck. Shit's way too slow. Oh, right here, bro. It's so annoying. The fact that it's negative and trading sideways is a good thing. Yeah, that reversal could come and play end of the day. First thing tomorrow. Probably not gonna wait for that. Let's see what we got here. 10-minute. I like the fact that at 60 minutes it's pretty much sideways. It's good support. Just want to see if she holds here. That's the 60 minutes. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily positive. Alright. Go to the 10-minute. Reason why I'm doing different time frames, you could just sometimes see it better on a later time frame than the current one. Okay. Well, it seems like the ask is getting volatile. We want to see, that breakout happen. Rightfully so. 5-4 is right here, so 5-5. Where Jane's at, take out Jane. Board. See if I could get this dude's Tuesday last week. Oh shit. My bad, dude. Twelve. 12. Alright guys, it's 1 p.m. I think there's going to be some action heading into the second half of trading day. Things look like it's shaping up to the buy side right now on our stocks. I'm going to mute it here as I'm working, but still streaming, okay? Alright, waiting for some action. See what the hell Fannie Mae is doing. This is when the stock should start moving up during these conditions, during this climate. And yeah, probably be a great loading zone. Yeah. Don't see anything. See what marijuana stocks doing these days. Finally trying to find a bottom here. Yeah, that's what it looks like right around here. See, AZFL. Bottom should be 8s, 7s. Yeah, 8s. Yeah, just talking with my brother-in-law. 8's holding. You can see that. I would say 7 is a support. Maybe even touch trip 6 again. That's what I think, based on the movements for AZFL. Just trying to see what. Let's see what we have. You know, I got this right down here, but you can see its trading range now for this bad boy is horizontal right here. It's forming its, 2 levels of support and resistance. I like the fact that she was going negative this whole time, staying above support level. That does look good. Let's go back to INND, and yeah, same shit. Let's go to a 10-minute time frame. Expect her to push up, and you see 5x5 right now. So negative trading sideways, similar to SMPW. ALYI, she's ticking down a little bit from where I got her. I believe was 8.5, but you can see she's holding it, expecting news tomorrow. This looks like a positive thing. So I believe I'm going to hold this overnight, this position. SMPW and INND. I'm not sure as of yet. I might sell out of INND by end of day. I see buildup over here at the ask. Seems like Jane and AEXG is still just pretty much holding her down, and you can see people are front running the ask. Okay. So bored. Boring trading day, dudes. For me, it's always a boring trading day when something doesn't move. But with penny stocks, you could expect that. Let's take a look at Tesla. Oops, that's where the action is. Tesla, oh shit. Selling opportunity with Tesla. See, she's gonna crack here? Oh, she's gonna crack here. That's what it looks like. She's gonna crack here. Oh. On the daily Tesla, it doesn't look too bad. Short term. Of course. Here it goes. I think she's gonna drop real quick right here. Let's see. Getting some action over here. INND is really annoying me. At least the MAC histogram is trying to go through positive. But what I'm going to do is put Tesla up here. And she's down about 4 points since we said she's going to drop up 3 points, 2 points or so. But yeah, we can see her dip down to maybe right here, 115, 113. That's what it looks like. And yeah, the short term pattern right here. ASCM is at 112. See if we could get her. She's now beginning to hold her down. You know, she was at a higher ask. Pay attention to Tesla while I'm looking at this. No. Well, she's flipping up 3 points. Saw that? So what the hell was that about? Yep, there it is. I don't know why this is not working. I think I have too many programs up. I'm going to start closing a few things. Too much power, too much juice, guys. See, if I close this, 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 I'm gonna once again open my layouts. You can see she's dropping. Just shit stopped. See? Tesla went down. I'm refreshing the platform. Give me a second. Yep. Sorry guys. Bunch of phone calls. Gotta make another one. And this dude. Let me see. No, not yet. See if Tesla will continue. Well, we've made a little bounce here, but I expect it to dip around. Form support here. No, she might still have some room to go. Maybe to right here, 113, 115. Yep. 113, look at that. Get ASCM out of the way and we should be good.